Aviation maintenance technicians, also known as aircraft mechanics or avionics technicians, are responsible for maintaining and repairing the aircraft and aircraft systems that allow planes to fly safely. The history of aviation maintenance technicians is closely tied to the history of aviation itself, as the development of aircraft and aircraft systems has always relied on the skills and expertise of these technicians. The earliest aircraft mechanics were likely the Wright brothers themselves, who were responsible for building and maintaining their own planes. As aviation technology advanced and planes became more complex, the need for specialized aircraft mechanics grew. In the early 20th century, aircraft mechanics were often trained on the job, learning the trade through hands-on experience and apprenticeships. During World War II, the demand for aircraft mechanics skyrocketed as the United States and other countries ramped up their military aviation efforts. To meet this demand, the U.S. military established a number of aircraft mechanic training programs, including the Civilian Pilot Training Program, CPTP, and the War Training Service, WTS. These programs trained thousands of mechanics to work on military aircraft, and many of these mechanics went on to work in the aviation industry after the war. In the post-war years, the aviation industry continued to grow, and the need for skilled aircraft mechanics remained strong. To meet this need, the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, established the Aviation Maintenance Technician, AMT, certification program in the 1950s. The AMT program established standards for aircraft mechanic training and certification, and it continues to be the primary certification program for aviation maintenance technicians in the United States. Today, aviation maintenance technicians are an essential part of the aviation industry, and they play a crucial role in ensuring the safety and reliability of aircraft. They work on a wide range of aircraft systems, including engines, electrical systems, avionics, and structural components, and they use a variety of tools and technologies to diagnose and repair problems. Aviation maintenance technicians typically work in hangars or repair shops, and they may also work on the tarmac or on the ramp. They often work shifts, and they may be required to work weekends and holidays. The work can be physically demanding, and technicians may be required to lift heavy objects, work in confined spaces, or work in inclement weather. In the United States, aviation maintenance technicians must be certified by the FAA to work on aircraft. To be certified, technicians must pass a written exam and a practical exam, and they must also meet certain educational and experience requirements. Certification must be renewed every 2 years, and technicians must complete a certain number of hours of continuing education to maintain their certification. Aviation maintenance technicians are a vital part of the aviation industry, and they play a crucial role in ensuring the safety and reliability of aircraft. From the Wright brothers to the modern-day aviation industry, these technicians have always been at the forefront of aircraft maintenance and repair, and they will continue to be an essential part of the industry for years to come. We rely on the support of our viewers to help us continue our work, and we would be grateful if you would consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you can help us reach a wider audience and ensure that we can continue to produce high-quality content. Thank you for your support, and we hope you enjoy our videos.